At one time, Penrhyn Quarry in the Ogwen Valley was the main producer of slate throughout the world. As a wealthy Member of Parliament for Liverpool, quarry owner Richard Pennant had a good knowledge of the market requirements for slate. Between 1782 and 1808, when he died, annual quarry production increased from 1,000 tonnes to 20,000 tonnes. The life of a quarryman was hard and dangerous, but rather than becoming ground down by his work, the majority took pride in their skills. There is no record of any formal training given to enable them to design and arrange patterns on slate, but clearly, purpose-made tools were devised and each carver developed their own personal technique. These are some examples of unique folk art practised by the quarrymen of the Ogwen Valley in Gwynedd. These intricate carvings, some of geometric and concentric patterns and others depicting everyday objects, musical scores, flowers, birds and plants, were created by some particularly skilled quarry workers in North Wales. Some of the best examples of this folk art date from around 1823 to 1845. Most were discovered in the Dyffryn Ogwen area, though a few examples have been discovered in Corris and Festiniog. Recent archaeological investigations of the Dyffryn Nantlle region also revealed similar works. Whilst most of the carved slates were used as fire surrounds, long, thin slates were used to put under dressers, and smaller carved decorative objects such as slate fans and miniature furniture were also created for the home. Each gives a glimpse of what life was like in the period and what the quarrymen valued and enjoyed. Some of the slates can still be found in homes in the area, whilst others have been used in gardens and fields or simply thrown away. This amazing astrological chart is based on the work of a man from Pentir, John William Thomas, who was a self-taught mathematician. Some of his illustrations were spotted by the Greenwich Royal Observatory and he went to work for them, but still kept in touch with a friend in Tregarth. She asked her brothers to carve out some of his astrological drawings onto slate. A copy of this work is now in Storiel's collection. The first carved slate was given to Storiel Museum's collection in 1943, and this was from the house of musician John Parry in Llanllechid, who composed the song Friendship. It was carved by him for his fireplace in 1838. Gwenno Caffel, the secretary of the Llandygau and Llanllechid Archaeological Society, was familiar with this slate, and when she discovered another carved slate, it was decided to search for more. Unfortunately, many examples of this work have been destroyed as houses changed hands.